guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Embers and Ash, and my name's Ashley, if you didn't know. If you saw my video a few weeks ago where I thrifted my Pinterest fall wardrobe, you would have seen that I bought this black hat, which I am very much enjoying, but I have an issue with it. The rim is just like not stiff enough, like I can kind of make it look flat, but it still like does whatever it wants. So I thought I would try and stiffen the brim. I've researched this online and found out that it's a thing, and I wanted to film the experience and see if this works out and share it with you guys. Also, some of the tutorials online I've seen, they say there's like a certain spray you're supposed to use, but that doesn't work on felt. So specifically, this is a felt hat that I'm trying to make the brim flat. Let's try it out. Okay, so I think I have the things that I need. I have my hat. I have Mod Podge glue. I have some Value Village bags, not sponsored by the thrift store, to protect my counter. I have a container and chopsticks for stirring. So let's do this. Now I've looked up a recipe online, but I don't have directions, so I'm making that part up. Okay, so I'm already scratching this idea because I need my hat to lay flat on the counter, and these are just too floofy. So, oh, here we go. Parchment paper at my disposal. Perfect. Wow, that's wonderful. So that's set up. Now, the recipe I saw online was 1 part Mod Podge, or 1 part glue, 3 parts water. But I don't know how much I need in total. Maybe I'll do a 1/4 cup glue, 3/4 cup water. I think that should be enough, right? Okay. So I'm definitely not about to measure this out in my nice kitchen equipment. So I'm just gonna eyeball it. So this is 3/4 cups water. Let's just make a guess. Oh my gosh, it's so clumpy. Maybe that's good. Wow, I hate the smell of glue. Do you like the smell of glue? It smells nasty. I have chopsticks to stir with. This is literally like arts and crafts. Wow, and this is how milk is made, everyone. Did you know? I didn't know. It looks like milk. Now I get why kids try and eat glue, because it looks like milk, right? I think that's a good guess. That's why kids eat glue. Wow, if it wasn't for the smell, I really would think that this was milk. Okay, now to apply it on my hat. I need another instrument. So I got this guy. I forget what you call these. I was gonna call it a turkey baster, but that's definitely not what this is. Anyways, I'm gonna use this because I can clean it easily. Okay, so I think first I'm going to put the glue on the bottom. Oh my gosh, I need to lint roll this first, otherwise all that lint is gonna stay on there. I'm learning so many things. Okay, that was a really good idea. I've had it before where I go and like spray a sealer on wood and I didn't dust it first and it's all like bumpy because all the dust gets stuck in the sealer. You always gotta learn the hard way. Except this time when I'm being smart about this. Okay, I've cleaned off the bottom. I'm gonna use my not turkey baster and apply it on the brim of the hat and not make a mess, hopefully. Oh my gosh, is my hat gonna smell like Elmer's glue? I just realized I might be destroying this hat. I hope this works out. Okay, I have glue on that side. Now I'm gonna just place it down and delintify the top and do the same thing on this side. This is gonna be so exciting if this works. I feel like I'm gonna be like a fashion wizard. Okay, and I think I'm gonna try and like put quite a bit on this side. I don't know why, that's just what I'm feeling. Just so that it like really saturates the felt, I guess. Maybe I should change the title of this to, Can I Make My Floppy Hat's Brim Stiff? Because if this goes really sideways, I'm not gonna have content for you and I'm just gonna ruin my hat. really trying to make this all uniform in case it like dries weird and you can really tell the areas that obviously have glue on them. Okay, I think I got all the glue on that I want. It's for the most part sitting flat on the table, which is what I want, except this end is sticking up. So I might have to put something on here to weigh it down. That's it, yeah, definitely what I'm gonna have to do. Because it's just gonna keep popping back up, and that would defeat the purpose of trying to flatten the brim. There, that works, right? Cool, okay. Now I guess I'm just gonna wait for this to dry. I don't know how long that's gonna take. I might just get back to you tomorrow. And I'm feeling very confident in this. I think it's definitely gonna work. It just depends on if it looks good or not, right? That's where I'm at. Hey guys, so it is the next day and this has been sitting on the counter drying. It feels like it's dried and it also looks like all the potential glue residue is non-existent. So let's see how well it worked. That is a flat brim if I've ever seen one, hey? All right, moment of truth. How does it look? Does it look good or do I look like, I'm not gonna say something offensive. I think it's cute, hey? Wow, it actually worked. Holy moly, that's amazing. I mean, I literally just put glue on it, so it's not really that surprising, but wow, like I thought for sure I would get like glue marks all over it, but there's nothing. And it's like pretty stiff. Like I don't wanna like try and bend it too much, but it honestly seems pretty sturdy. I can't believe that worked. I thought it was gonna ruin my hat. Amazing. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're interested in more like clothing DIY videos, I have one where I thrift flip some oversized men's pants. If you're interested. Otherwise, thank you guys so much for watching and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!